Will you listen for a second? Listen, okay? We have to get rid of a truck.
I've got an itch.
Now, in order to...
I've got an itch.
In order to avoid...
Excuse me, I've got to stand up. I've got an itch.
In order to avoid that expense, we're going to have to drop an amp each, and we're going to have to drop back and rig of the lighting.
Oh, I got a worse itch.
Where's yours?
My itch is worse.
Wait a minute. Wait. Can you hear this? Listen. I've got a subtle one. Wait a minute. Bring that little thing in here. Yeah. No, bring that little subtle one. Yeah. Listen. It's my subtle one. It goes across the chest. Listen. No, listen to mine. No, it's a chimney one. Well, I can't get the same volume.
It's not lubricated. It's not lubricated.
I got speed.
Wait. Marty, come over here, will you? Come here for a second.
What?
We can't get this business done.
What's the problem? I had it perfect before the bus swayed.
I mean, this is ridiculous.
Yeah. What? We're shooting now.
It doesn't matter.
What do you mean it doesn't matter?
It's about the only time we'll have to talk.
But we're in the middle of a scene here. This is an important scene.
It's not that important.
This is an important scene.
They're behaving like animals.
That's important. It's character.
I don't want that character.
This is character. It shows that childlike quality. I know they're fart noises, but it's that the childishness, the childhood, the adolescence, the prolonged adolescence, that thing I'm trying to get. What do you mean? I've never really we're in the middle of
honestly want to pick up 3 grown men making fart noises.
Don't tell me what I want, what I don't want.
Oh, sorry, I didn't mean to
This is character. This is important character for the film.
Or a lack of it.
Peter, go over here.
Yeah.
This is quite impressive.